If you wanna know what it's like, I can't stay here forever. Stay here forever. Baby, I'm just keeping it real. You hold me down with the weather.
Hi gems, the hair I'm going to be working with today is from EayonHair. They were kind enough to send me over their deep wave feather crochet hair in 22 inches in the natural color, and they sent me 5 packs of hair, and this is what the hair is looking like right out the package. So it did come with that gold thing over the thread just to keep them secure, and that's a curl. Again, it's a deep wave pattern. Okay, the curls feel so soft, so nice, and we're gonna do a thread check. That's a thread, and we're gonna do a curl check. So that's the curls looking oh so juicy and ready to be installed. So I did braid my hair up off camera. I did go for large braids this time because I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time braiding my hair. I have around 32 braids on my head, so it's not a lot. So we're gonna get right into the install, and I hope I'll be able to explain it. So this is the feather crochet hair, and I'm gonna braid it directly onto the end of my hair. So I start with the feather crochet hair. That's 2 pieces, and then my hair I make 3 pieces, and I do a regular braid. I hope that makes sense. So I braid until I get almost to the end of my hair. Then I'm gonna borrow a piece from the feather crochet hair, put it with my hair, and then it's gonna be 3 pieces again, but then this give me an extra piece, so when I get to the end of my hair I can continue braiding, so the hair will be super secure and it won't fall out. But hope that makes sense too, no? Okay, but it does. May I try explain? So yeah, this is what it's looking like. You see that it now move, it's stuck, it now move, not moving, secure. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna get into the crochet part. I push the crochet hook through my hair, open the latch, attach the latch to the thread of the feather crochet, and I pull one end through, and then I kind of give it a tie, a knot, that knot right there. You don't have to do it like that. You could pull both pieces through the knot, the thread, but I decided just to do one piece this time because it's kind of more seamless, you know. And I'm gonna do that again. I'm just repeating the process. I'm gonna be adding that. This is the part where you guys are gonna be like, what? I'm gonna be adding 6 pieces of feather crochet to each braid, and then I'm gonna be adding an extra piece at the base, so that's 7. So that's 1 2 3 1 2 3 already, and that's what it's looking like. So I'm gonna be putting 7 feather crochet pieces onto each braid. Why I'm doing that, you might ask? Because I have 32 braids. I want my hair to be full. I want it to be luxurious, luscious, but I don't want a whole lot of braids in my head. I hope that makes sense. So this is 4 pieces, okay? So again, I said I'm doing 7. So I'm at 4, so I have 3 more to go, and I'm just repeating the process. We have all seen how we do the feather crochet, you know. This is like boho without the boho price and the boho time, which if you're busy as I am, you don't want to be sitting for hours doing your hair. And if you can do it yourself, you can do it yourself. I suggest do the braid one day and then attach the crochet pieces another day, so you won't feel like you're doing your hair for 8 hours, so you feel like it won't make a difference, you know, like if you're at the hairdresser or not. So that's my 6 pieces. Okay, so that's what it's looking like with 6 pieces into my entire head. So here I'm gonna go over it again, but I'm gonna leave you guys to watch it, and I'm just gonna start the talking. I'm gonna see how it's done, and I'll come back to you guys later.
So
All right, so see where you know. Look at us. Look at us. Look at this hair. It's so gorgeous, guys. It's so luscious. The curls are just so bouncy and so big and so defined, and I really, really do like. So this is the last piece. I'm just showing you guys what I do to get the 7-piece. I attach that last feather crochet to the base of my braid. So I just insert the crochet hook. That's the word I've been looking for the whole time. Anyway, let's insert the crochet hook to the base of my braid, and then I attach that to the feather crochet hair. I pull the loop through, and then I pull one end of the feather crochet hair through the loop to secure it. And it now move. It now go nowhere. It's stuck. Right now, how much weak and it's still in my hair. It never moves. So this is it, okay? And guys, I really do love the hair. Like I'm telling you, I'm in love with the curls. The curls are gorgeous. Like this hair is full. This is 5 packs. This is 7 feather crochet per braid. Really full. Look at that. You can't tell me nothing. Me, I feel myself like I'm Dominican. I'm Rapunzel. You know, I am Dominican in this hair. You know, they say I feel Dominican. I felt Dominican in this hair. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna go put some makeup on my face and stuff like that. And yeah, when I come back, we're gonna chat about this here. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the hair. This is, I think, a week or more after I'd install it. I really like to do like updates like this. So the white thing here is just my hair gel, okay? But that's what the hair is looking like after about a week or so. I really, really do like it. Like, it's such a pretty hair, and I really love the curls on it. Like, just look at them. They're so pretty. The curls are phenomenal. I love the curls. Like, this is how far it reaches on me. It's just a very, very, very pretty hair. I really love the hair. Really love the hair. Like, look at the color. Look at the curls, guys. Look at the curls. I really like the curls. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. And this hair from EayonHair is pretty good. I'm really happy I did not get the Burmese curly, because the Burmese curly is like everywhere, you know? But yeah, this is like the half up, half down style, which I really do like. I think I'll probably be rocking it in this one. I didn't try it, but this style, this is my first time trying the half up, half down. I really love it. Like, just look at the curls. The curls are beautiful. Just beautiful, okay? I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys another style. Let me come back, okay? So guys, this is it for the video. I really, really, really do love this hair. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the curls. It's lightweight. I don't know. It just looks so natural and it's so versatile. I mean, whoever came up with Miracle Knots, they did their big one on this one, darling, because this one is fire. This one is everything. I'm telling you, I really love the hair. Like, I've been wearing it half up, half down, to the one side, to the other side, you know, right part, a side part, flip over with a headband. All the ways I can wear it, I've been wearing this hair. I'm telling you, I really, really do love it. EayonHair did their thing with this one. I'm telling you. And I've had this curled all day. Like, I went to an event and I curled it like earlier today, but here she is, like, still standing, which I really, really do love. Okay guys, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you guys think of this hair. Like, would you, I know Burmese curly has been like, you know, the hype, you know, on the rave lately, but would you try another texture? I'm gonna leave the link to the hair in the description box and all the details that you guys might need. There's also gonna be a discount code as well, so you can go ahead and save some coins, honey, because who don't want to save some coins, you know? Like, who want to save some money? So yeah, go ahead and check that out. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be the most authentic you and keep slaying, queens. I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Bye.
If you wanna know what it's like, I can't stay here forever. Stay here forever. Baby, I'm just keeping